It's going to be an interesting Tuesday morning around here. I thought it was kind of a joke whenever we were talking about it earlier.
I know it. Kind of a weird timing to be talking about possible snow.
I know, right after April Fool's. If it had happened today, I think no one would have believed it.
Exactly, until they saw it. They're
That's
like, okay,
right.
fine. But it is not completely unheard of. It's rare to get snow in April. We've had 2 times where it's actually been measurable snowfall, both of them back in the 1980s. And then other times we've had about 10 others where there's been a trace of snow. And I think a trace is possible tomorrow, but we're not expecting much in the way of accumulations. The best chance is going to be south of I-85. Now, the craziest thing is in Greenville, we've actually seen snow as late as May 7th back in 1992. Again, this was just where it happened briefly, really didn't collect on the ground, but it can happen as late as early May. Just unbelievable. Right now, nothing happening. We've got beautiful weather, but we're waiting on this low pressure system to start to get its act together. It's forming over Louisiana. It's going to be moving along the southern Gulf Coast and then eventually up the Carolinas, and that's what's going to bring us that chance for some rain and then a little bit of snow mixed in perhaps south of I-85. Right now, though, near 60 in many spots. Not feeling so snowy out there, that's for sure. 57 for Spartanburg, 53 up in Asheville. FUTURECAST tonight showing just cloud cover at 2 a.m. So clouds will be increasing overnight. Don't expect it to be pouring on you in the morning as your day starts around 6 a.m. There's the rain, still not really even seeing any snow, but eventually we're going to see that occur as the air moistens up a bit. We're going to see temperatures drop even more, and that's when we'll start to see some of that snowfall develop. Wet snow most likely mixed with some light rain. There's 9 a.m. Some of it could be falling around Greenville, Spartanburg toward Anderson, but notice how quickly it starts to pull away. 11 a.m. looking at just a few lingering snowflakes around Gaffney, Union, and then it's on out. So not long enough to accumulate, and even if it did snow for several hours, the ground is so warm that it would be very difficult to see much of it pile up. So you can see our best chance of snow in the highlighted area here. No accumulations expected out of all of this, but it could be a real novelty, especially for the kids that missed out on much in the way of snow, except for, of course, our December system brought us. So 7 to 11, that's the time frame. It will likely melt. No road issues expected, and we're going to be near 60 by late in the day. So kind of a crazy day, in fact, of weather as we had that chance of rain and snow early. Temperatures take a nice rebound the second half of the day, mid to upper 50s in parts of the upstate, right around 50 in western North Carolina. As we rate the day on the Carolina Sky Meter, this one was tough, but we actually went with a 7 since our chance of snow is not going to cause any issues on the roads, and it's going to be very brief. And the second half of the day looks gorgeous. Wednesday into Thursday, beautiful. I mean, we rebound to 70 degrees after this snow chance. Just crazy. Then as we head toward the weekend, we could see near 80-degree temperatures, a chance of rain Friday, and then another chance comes on Sunday. But I think most of the weekend is looking dry at this point.